Welcome to the journey to the top of the fridge. I am on my way to get the last of the Lucky Charms at the top of our fridge. Here we go. This is a very dangerous journey. I better go get a spot with a stick. I'll grab a broom. Hello, any monsters in here? Monster. Hello? Are you in there? Oh, that was just my shadow. It's the most dangerous journey. I'll throw the flashlight at them. Oh no, the flashlight don't work. It's up there. It's still yet so far. Oh boy. Any monsters in here? It is right there. So close. But I'm so far down. Oh no. There's a monster out there. I think we're clear, maybe. I better lock this. Oh good, there's no monsters in here. I beat them all up. I think we're clear. No monsters. Oh no! Flashlight is broken. All this stuff is in my way. Oh. Oh, that looks like it turned on the light. Very dangerous. Now how am I supposed to get up there? I'm gonna put the flashlight down here, and now I have to try and get up there. So close. Maybe I can climb up on here. Oh. No, I'm high enough, but it's too far. Missed it. I'm trying to pull this over. Don't budge. It will not budge. How do I get up there? Oh no, the flashlight turns off. Run! Run! What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Oh. I'll get you, monster. However you are. Die, monster, die! Oh, I don't know what to do. Oh. Only if there was like a ladder in here. The last of the Lucky Charms is just up there. I can't grab it. Oh, I only can get like close, but not close enough. Oh, I died at that time. So close. Look, it just says open here. Pop me up there. I don't know what to do. We don't got a ladder or anything. Oh no, there's a monster! The monster's back there, I tell ya. The monster. Oh, monster, where are you? Maybe I can set a trap. A trap for the monster. I don't know why we ever think putting cereal on top of fridge was a good idea. I had to throw it up there and I don't even know how to get it down. The monster's gonna get me. What to do? Oh, look, it's a chair. I can use the chair. So close. It's right there. It is right there. But it's empty. Almost. There's not much left. And it's not even Lucky Charms. It's just in a Lucky Charm bag. I risked my life for not even Lucky Charms. Where's the monster? Where is it? We're safe now. I thought I was gonna die from that monster. Hope you like this video. There's gonna be no vlog today. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye.